Namaste, I am Dr. Shreya, Yoga and Naturopathy physician. In spite of sleeping for 7 to 8 hours at night, are you waking up in the morning with tiredness, puffiness around your eyes, irritability, or any other uneasiness? Then you need to check with the quality of your sleep. How you wake up in the morning depends on how you sleep at night. So today I'll be sharing some 5 important tips to have a good night's sleep. Number 1. Do not sleep under bright light. Some people have a habit of sleeping with the lights on due to various reasons. These artificial bright light affect our melatonin production, thereby disturbing our sleep. So try to sleep in a pitch dark area or under dim light, but see to it that it doesn't directly fall on your eyes. Second one, fix your sleep and wake up timings. That is, every day you sleep at the same time and wake up at the same time. By doing this, our biological rhythm or clock is maintained, which helps to keep all our body functions in normal. It might be difficult in the beginning for few days, but later it becomes a habit. And try to sleep early and wake up early, because early to bed and early to rise is a key to health, right? Third one, there should be a gap of at least 3 hours between your dinner and sleep. That means you should be having early dinner. Dinner before sunset is ideal. If it is difficult, at least try having within an hour after sunset. You don't have to shift timing suddenly, which will be difficult. Do it slowly. For example, if your dinner timing is at 10 o'clock, shift it to 9 o'clock, then slowly shift it to 8 o'clock, then slowly come down to 7 o'clock. Early dinner not only improves your sleep but also helps to solve many other health issues. Fourth one, try to avoid using your gadgets, like be it your mobile, laptop, iPad, even watching TV at least 1 hour before going to bed. The harmful blue light emitted from this bright screen again affects melatonin production and even overall brain activity, thereby disturbing our sleep. Along with this, also keep all your gadgets away from your bed, and do not forget to switch off your Wi-Fi too. Last one, and which is very important, that is meditation. Make a time to meditate before going to sleep. You can do it even sitting on bed. It's not that you have to do advanced meditation. You can go for a simple deep breathing. Sit on bed, close your eyes, go for deep inhalation and complete exhalation. Do it for 5 to 10 minutes. This actually shifts our sympathetic nervous activity to parasympathetic nervous activity, which helps to throw away all the stresses accumulated on that particular day and keeps us relaxed, inducing deep sleep. There are many other tools for good quality sleep, but these being important, put an effort to implement these and see the result. So sleep well and stay healthy. Thank you.